going to show you how to make a character, your own character. So, first, what you want to do is change the scratch cat. Go into the costumes editor, click right here. After that, if you had watched if you watch my costume editor tutorial, then you'll know what to do. But if you already do, then after that, you can really make this guy however you want. I'm gonna make him, I don't know. So here's what my guy is gonna look. You can make yours however you want. If you don't know how to make this, then watch the costume editor. If you don't know how to use these tools right here, then watch our costumes editor tutorial. But anyways, next what you want to do is we need to make movement, right? So what we want to do is make movement for both WASD and arrow keys. So and when green flag clicked, forever, if then, another if then, another if then, and another one. After that, go to sensing, put a key space in one, key space in the second one, key space in the third one, key space in the fourth one. After that, change the first one into right arrow, change the second one into left arrow, change these ones into up arrow and down arrow. This is going to be the movement code, as you can tell. So hit change Y by 10 and up arrow, and change that 10 to take away 10 for down arrow. After that, we need to move sideways and stuff. So when right arrow press, do move 10 steps, and when left arrow press, move take away 10 steps. Now we got the basic movement. If if you're a WSD guy, then you can change this to WSD. As you can see, you can just replace up arrow of W, down arrow of S, and right arrow of D, and left arrow of A to make WSAD. Now, let's test it. So you can see, it works flawlessly. But don't you think he looks a little lifeless? So, what we want to do next is we're going to make another costume of him. Delete this leftover costume over here if you haven't already deleted it. Now, double click on it, then press duplicate. After that, you want to go with this mouse pointer tool thingy. Then right here, there's going to be a bar up here with stuff. Now we're going to press flip horizontal. Now it's flipped horizontal, but now it's just infinitely flipped horizontal. We got to do something about that. So next what you want to do is pick switch costume 2 and left arrow 1, then switch costume 1 and right arrow 1. Now look, we can move like that. Cool, right? Now, what else should we add to our character? Now I'm going to show you how to make some cool effects on your character. Here's the first thing, how to make a cool effect for your character. So what you want to do is get a when green flag clicked forever, press this button right here for extensions, and then go to pen. Remember, right here, press it, then you'll see this press pen. After you have pen, get from the pen blocks, erase all, and after that, when green flag clicked, forever, wait 0.2 seconds, and create a clone. Now for this, go back to the pen section, then you can set the pen color to whatever you want, literally. So I'm going to set it to a black color. After that, we're gonna get from control, scroll down, and when I start as a clone, then when I start as a clone, then change Y by take away 10. No, not take away 10. Take away 30. Then forever. Then don't put forever. Repeat 10. Change that to 50. No, 15. Change that to 15. Then turn 15 degrees. Then go into operators and get a pick random. Take away 15 to 15. After that, we're gonna put a move 10 steps too. So now, let's test it. But that isn't looking so right. So what we're gonna wanna do is change this to take away 50 and change this to 50 too. It's still not looking very right though. So we're going to pen, set pen size to 10, set it to 10, then make it so that the clones hide. But if they hide, there's a chance that this guy might hide too, the original guy. So we gotta put a show right here, and now look. But it's still not showing. That's because this is erasing too quickly. So, well, it's actually not. You gotta put a pen down, and now restart. You see that? Cool, right? Now, if you want to do some evil experiments, then what you could do is make it wait no seconds. Yes! Yes! Or if you want to turn it into a move, then you can make it point towards mouse pointer. But, let's make it point towards mouse pointer like this. But they're not going to delete. So if they're not deleting, then the clones will get overloaded and it won't be able to spam out the aura yet. So what we want to do is go to control and get a delete clone block. Oh, and sorry, this guy was just turned. I don't know how he got turned. But don't worry, that's not supposed to happen. Now see? Look. Now he has an aura. But don't we want to actually make some special abilities for him? Yeah, we do. So, anyways, what we want to do, you can change it to take 100 or 100 if you want. I suggest take away 150 to take away 100 though. So, we need to actually make some moves. So, what we want to do is we gotta create another clone. Ooh yeah. So after we create another sprite, and you can make this whatever you want. I'm gonna make a simple circle. So after I have a circle, hit when I start as a clone block, repeat 100, go to motion, change Y by take away 10, but go to operators and get a pick random, change Y by pick random, take away 25 to regular 25. Then we need to make it so it actually moves. So we're gonna move 10 steps and point towards mouse pointer right up here. So now it kind of looks like a beam. Now let's test it. But we can't even summon it yet. So what we want to do is when green flag click events, control, go to control, wherever, if, go to settings, key, space, clicked, then get a create clone myself block, but you see, press the myself block, myself part on it, then press sprite 2. Then we need to make it so that this guy hides. So we need to put hide this shoes. Now, let's test. Restart your project and press space. Ooh, yeah. But it's not going to. But that's an easy fix though. So what you want to do is make it go to sprite 1. And voila. Now I can blast a beam. Pretty cool, right? You can change however it looks. And they still don't delete. So remember what you did last time. Hit a delete clone block. And voila. Should be working now. And yeah. Now you have a full working character. If you want to do some extras, then keep watching the video. So what I'm going to do is go to looks, go to front layer, change that to back, and then what else you want to do is get a change color effect, then change brightness, and change pixelate by 1 accept. Now let's test it again. Maybe 2 bright. So change that to 0.1. Whoa. The pixelate should be up to 15. Whoa. Now look at that. It's a pixel beam. Ooh. And that is how you build a character. But you can still change the pen. You can still change the pen to whatever you want. So honestly, I'm gonna change it to yellow to simulate his godliness. If you want yellow, then change the color to 16 with a sliding bar. Kind of hard. Change the brightness and stuff. Change it. The brightness and stuff all the way to 100 though. So now look at this. It's completed. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Now subscribe.